Hello fellow travelers, Grayson and I are here at the Cincinnati Museum Center today to check out the Duke Energy holiday trains. We're going to get inside and see if we run into any surprises. It's not very crowded here. The parking lot is not exactly full or as full as it could be, so I don't anticipate a huge crowd, but everybody could be here just for the trains. So we'll see what happens. We'll see what we run into in here. See you walking up there. All right, here you go. Silly goose. All right. There it is, right there. Right down the escalator. Play. Wow. That is cool. All the Christmas decorations up. So it is in the exact same spot it was last year. It's set up exactly the same as it was last year. At least at the beginning. The train. That's cool. Just as soon as you come in, the Thomas the Train display. All right, buddy. All right. Let's head on into the Duke Energy trains. Come on, buddy. Oh man! Immediately. The trains, the holiday trains. This is special, man.
Look at that.
I know. You know, my uncle used to take me here, my cousins, to see this. We used to have to ride the tank bus because of parking and all that back in the early 80s. Kind of reminds me of Holiday Junction. Entertainment Junction, I should say. This is Holiday Junction. Wow, man. I'm not sure if Entertainment Junction uses a larger scale or not. Wow. Very nice. There's Santa?
Look.
Where? Where do you see Santa at?
Right there.
I still don't see him.
Look. Right there.
Oh my gosh, you're right. That is Santa, isn't it? Grayson spotted him. He's Santa right there. He's flying right above that tower. Good eye, man. Wow. You spotted Santa. Of course he did.
Oh, look at this old house.
Yeah?
The old house.
Yeah, tell us about it.
Look.
What else you got?
Look. I can see it clear up here.
I'm glad you're into this.
Yeah, but
Yeah?
look at it.
Yeah. Jingle bells, all right.
Circus train.
Very nice. A circus train. Yeah, very nice setup. The holiday. Oh yeah. The train garage. I don't know what the official name for a train garage would be. Hey, check out these little ones. They're like micro machine trains. That's cool.
Little train? Oh, look.
Yeah.
It's little Thomas.
It's very tiny. Do you see a little Thomas? Is
Yeah.
it Thomas?
Yeah.
Looks like Thomas. I don't think it is that.
But look at Zay.
Very observant. Is it her face on
Zay
it?
is brown.
I don't think there is.
This one.
If there was, they may have painted over it.
Look, this one.
Okay, maybe it is Thomas then. I'm not gonna.
Well, we're gonna
We
see
won't
this-
split hairs, okay?
Wow. And look at that one.
I see that one.
What's that one?
It's a more modern train,
Hey, look.
like from the 50s, 60s. Oh yeah, so you push these buttons. Should we try it out? Okay.
Look.
Oh, you did that, huh? No, no. Yeah. Conductors should getting them loaded onto the track. This is fascinating. I don't know what it is about model trains I just love so much. And why it just reminds me of Christmas. I guess it's just something that was a tradition we used to do, come down here and see them. And it was very special because it wasn't like every year. And my uncle would come up from Florida during Christmas and we would make it a point to get out and see these things. It's just not something that I think they have down in Florida. Well, they have better things. They have Disney, they have all that stuff. We just got back from there. I could ramble all day long about that.
Oh, look.
This is pretty much it. This is the setup. Yeah, what am I looking at? Oh, it's a wrecked car. Wow.
Look at them.
Look, there's horses and cows and all sorts of stuff. Here comes that train. That's an interesting looking train. I wonder what era that's from. Like a small engine.
Whoa!
That is cool.
Give me that.
Lionel.
Give me that.
Lionel trains. Nice, man. All right. It's a very interesting look at the holiday trains. The exit is at the public landing. Well, folks, that is a look at the Duke Energy holiday trains.
Look.
Yeah, we got a puppet show going on. What else you got? Oh, cool. There is, of course, more to do at the Cincinnati Museum. There is the Children's Museum that has the woods, and I have a more in-depth look at this on my previous videos. If you'd like to check that out, please look at those. I'll have links for those down in the description. Okay. Of course, we have this whole children's play area. Maybe a postman. You gonna put that on? Too tight? Okay. All right. You gonna work on the puppy?
Oh, look, Papa.
Yeah.
These are real.
What is that?
These are all the things.
Those are all the tools that a doctor uses, that a vet uses.
But they're
Actually.
new. But they're real. So
But they're real.
Yeah. So,
Cool. How about we work on the puppy, look in his ears, huh? Nice. That's to take his blood pressure. I don't know that.
oh, when you put this
I never
on
heard of
him,
dogs getting their
you
blood
put this
pressure
on
taken, but
that,
maybe they do. I don't know. What do I know? I'm not a vet. That's cool. All the stuff a vet needs to work on pets. Take x-rays. This is great for kids, man. They can pretend that they're a veterinarian. I mean, that's really cool. Oh, look. You gonna x-ray the turkey? There's actual x-rays in there, I think. Yeah, there is. Yeah. And oh my gosh, look at the waiting room. My gosh, they're starting to pile up. Holy cow. Yeah, you got your little kid. He's going to work. I'm glad we came here today. So we came here specifically for the holiday trains, but I think we're going to work on our pets today. All right, so we got the puppy's blood pressure. Yep. Cool. Yeah, can I see your jacket there, what you're wearing? Can you turn around and show me your coat? Cool, man. Let's see what it says on the front. It says something. What does that say?
Doctor.
Cincinnati Museum Center? That's cool. All right.
Okay, look.
Okay, what do we see in here, Doc? What's wrong with my turkey?
Stop! Am I sick?
Or whatever that is. What is it?
What am I sick with?
Cool. All right. We got the doggy's blood pressure going. That's good. We're looking for the dog's x-ray, right? All right. Oh, look. That's close enough, right?
Oh, this is a dog.
It kind of looks like a dog.
Weird dog, but not a
It's not a wiener dog.
Look. See?
Pop it up on that x-ray machine. Let's see if that's a... You said that's a wiener dog? What is it? What kind of dog? What kind of dog is it?
It's a wiener dog.
I don't know. I think that's probably a rabbit. But I guess it could be a dog. Yeah. So in addition to the Duke Energy holiday trains, you'll be able to see Santa and the Lego layouts. It'll start on November 29th. So something to look forward to. So we saw this last year, and Santa was in here, actually, in this, right in that other room. So that'll be November 29th, but the Lego layouts are already here. Lego Brickopolis, looking trains. There's more to see here. Very cool. The Grand Budapest. Really interesting. Yeah, baby, what's up? Wow, those are cool Legos. What do we see? Cool. Wow, that's really neat. Look at this. It's amazing.
Legos.
Yeah. There's a Lego treehouse over there. See that?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, cool. Rocket ship setup. Roller coaster. Transformer or something. Or maybe that's like a suit or something. Or some kind. Robot. Some more train sets. Gosh, Legos are so cool. You see why they're so expensive. They're really cool. Probably more fun for adults than kids. Roller coasters, bumper cars. There's the Transformers or something. Robots. Star Wars set, Millennium Falcon. Oh, that's awesome. This coming from Disney's Galaxy's Edge. That is a cool setup. Of course, there is so much more to do here at the Cincinnati Museum than see the holiday trains. The regular museum, all those sights to see. Of course, there's a cave that you could walk through in here, down in the lower level. You're going to go check that out. It's too dark to really film in there. You have to come see that for yourself. It's awesome. We have Grader's Ice Cream Parlor in here. You can see that the ice cream parlor, or whatever this was, maybe it was a cafe or restaurant, this has not changed, I don't think, since this place was built in the 1930s. This is amazing, like a step back in time. Yep, we're gonna go in there. It's the cave.
You get some ahead.
Wish. Don't do that. Mammoth Cave. That's really neat. How caves are formed. There's a cave entrance. There's an upper and lower level. You go that way for handicap, and down that way is the regular cave. It's a little low light. I don't know what I can pick up in here, but I'm going to see what I can do with this camera. Yeah, it's very dark. I don't think it's going to pick anything up. That's what it looks like. Yeah? Oh, yeah. Water. Yeah. It's a lot brighter in here than this camera appears, but let's see what I can use here. Alright. We're walking down the stairs in the cave. I'm going to be careful. I'll watch out. Rappelling down into the cave, right? You can pretend. Oh, I know. That's something else, man. Alright. Cool. And that, folks, is just a little dose of the cave. Exits up here where it begins. Okay, that's going to do it for our time here at the Cincinnati Museum Center. We came here for the Duke Energy holiday trains. We got to see so much more than we anticipated. They had the Lego Brickopolis set up, and Grayson got to play in the Cincinnati Children's Museum. He got to run around in what they call the woods. If you guys want to see a more extensive video of that, I'll link them for you in the description down below. And I've got videos of the cave and all the other things that there is to do here. So check those out in the description down below. If you like these videos, please remember to like and subscribe and leave comments for us down below. Thanks for watching.